In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Apple Music Soundcheck. Alright, I'm on the iPhone home screen right now, and we're going to switch Soundcheck on or off through settings by going into the music app settings. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the app screen and we need to find music. So at this point I'm scrolling through the list until I see music. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see music, so I'm tapping on music. Now we're inside the music settings page. The next step is to scroll down because Soundcheck is lower on this page. So at this point I'm scrolling down slowly until I see Soundcheck. Alright, I see Soundcheck and there's a toggle switch next to it. Now you can turn it on or off depending on what you want. If you want Soundcheck enabled, tap the toggle so it turns on and looks active. If you want to disable Soundcheck, tap the toggle so it turns off and looks inactive. I'm tapping it now to set it to the option I prefer and you'll see it change immediately. There's no save button here, so the change applies right away. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and Soundcheck will stay set the way you chose.